So today I thought we'd talk about reverse mortgages, exactly what they are and the pros and the cons. So a reverse mortgage typically is a unique loan option specifically designed for homeowners age 62 and older. It allows them to tap into the equity they've built up in their home and receive cash from a lender, unlike a traditional mortgage where you make monthly payments over time. This you don't have to pay until you sell the home or the home is sold by your heirs. Now, another option for a reverse mortgage is that, just like it says, mortgage. Okay, instead of doing like a home equity line of credit, what you could do is sell your primary residence. Let's say you're sitting in a 3,500 square foot home that's 2 stories. You're tired of going up and down those stairs. Sell your home, go out and buy a Rambler in a retirement community, for example, and you could put 50 or 45 to 60% down on that home and do the reverse mortgage on the remaining amount. It would not be due until the home is sold. So that way you can take your extra in or assets and then invest them in any way you'd like. If you'd like more information on a reverse mortgage, feel free to call me. I'll put you in touch with one of my expert loan officers and they can explain it in further detail. It's just another way to get into a home and actually be able to save some of your funds for down the road. I'm Tony Gregg. I'm your hometown realtor for South Keene and Pierce counties.